Hi, you are welcome in this tutorial of data analysis in GIS. And in this tutorial, we'll talk about the data analysis, network analysis. So we can perform the network analysis using ArcGIS. We can use the Google Earth also, and we can use the Google Maps. So first, we will talk about the network analysis using the ArcGIS software. So the network analysis using ArcGIS, the basic purpose of this work is to find the shortest route or to find the service area along the roads. So as we were doing this work, I mean most of the GIS work we do direct using the ArcMap, but this work we cannot do directly in the ArcMap because it is not possible to just you add a street or road feature class to ArcMap and start finding the shortest route or perform other network analysis. Simple features like the line features that represent the roads or the streets are not aware of one another. This is the logic. So to make that kind of awareness, we will take our data, line data in the R catalog. So how we can make aware how features can understand each other. For that very purpose, what we have to do, we have to make the connectivity. And network dataset, however, store the connectivity of features. Therefore, instead of using road features directly, what we need is we have to create a network dataset in our catalog from the roads. Then the ArcGIS network analyst extension can reference the network dataset for everything it does. So it should be clear that we will begin our work with our catalog for this purpose. Our first task is to create a network dataset, and we can create the network dataset with the help of our catalog. So first of all, you have to be sure that your extension is on. This is network analyst, and this is on here. Thereafter, you will go to the folder, and it's advised that you should have a folder, and in that folder you should have a road and some points also which you can associate with the roads, like the roads here in this case I have the roads, Ethio roads, and I have the major major cities of the Ethiopia. So these two data are important for our network analysis. Thereafter, you will go to your road data. You will right click here and you will click on new network dataset. You can change the name if you want, and here they are asking, do you want to model turn in this network? So here I will do it now because for that some additional information is required, turning information is required. Okay, then thereafter go to next, 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 next. Do you want to establish driving direction? So if you have this direction information in your data, you can do it, otherwise no need. Then next, then finish it. The new network dataset has been created. Would you like to build it now? Yes. So I have got additional two shapefile. One is point. There is some another like Ethio roads, nodes and Ethio roads junctions here. So node and junctions, both the shapefiles are here. So next we will take all this data to ArcMap for our work. The map is open here. Then I will add that data which I have created using our catalog network analyst. I have created this data. You will take all the data which we have done there. Do you want to add all features classes that participate in the road network? Yeah. So we have got our data. Uh, these are the the point data is there. So these are the ages which are important. So we have the data here. These are the roads. I will make it little dim here. Okay. And these are our cities. These are the cities. And let me give the name of the cities. Label features. Okay. Yeah, these are the cities name here. So now for network analysis, I need a data set, tool set, sorry, and that is network analyst here. Then I want new route. You will click the new route here. And thereafter you have to give uh, 2 points, the origin place and the destination place. So create new, I will give these two, like suppose here this is Addis. If my first point is Addis and if I want to go to Meghalaya, so okay, if I have to go to Meghalaya here somewhere, okay, Meghalaya, then I can solve it. Okay, so I have got a route here, and this route is from Addis to Mekelle. And if you are because one thing, you have got a route, and second is sometimes what happens, we need this route, okay, for our work. So this route we can save to another place, and we can use just to show the distance, or just to show the connectivity. This is the route here, routes. You can give the name, it is to Mekelle. Okay, then you can save it here. So and yeah, another is we can use the uh, model also for this study. Like if we are having the data here, we can make a model, like for that we have to take the model analysis, and thereafter we'll go to the make root layer here. In this root layer you have to give your input ETH routes. Do it. Okay, thereafter you will go to that next is you have to add the locations here, the location, add locations. These are the cities, we can add the location. And we can give the routes here. So thereafter we have to make it solve data, and we'll make it add to display, then we can run it. So as a result, we can find the routes, the optimum routes among all the places here. And this route also you can save to your folder and you can use for accessibility analysis. So this was all about how we can do it with ArcGIS, and now next we will do it with Google Earth. So now we will use the Google Earth for our network analysis, and Google Earth is also giving us many more tools, and we can do many more things to find the shortest routes. So we will go to Google Earth. So Google Earth is open here, and what we can do is we can go for the place here at Graph. So Google Earth will find the place Adigrath, and if you want to get the direction, you will click here, get direction. And the first point we can take the Adigrath, and second we can take maybe Adwa, here, Adwa, and get direction. So in case if you want this data, means the road data from Adigrad to Adwa, then what you can do is you can copy this result into the your places here, and you have done it, and you have got the data here by A2. These are the two places here. So for that I have to close this. So you have got the places. This is the Adigrad here, and this is Adwa. And in between Adwa and Adigrad, you will find the route. This is the route. So sometimes we need this route to make our map or to use in our map. Then we can also save this route, like this will be R by name of R, and thereafter shapefile here. Output data is R here, and I will do it OK. We have got this R. We can make so we have got this polyline here, and we can see this is the from Adigrad to Adwa this road. So we can use this road in our map. And next, another thing is if you want to make some if you want to see that how we can make this route, so by here clicking here you can play also. So right from Adigrath the Google Earth will take you to. So you can customize the tours uh, properties. You can view. Okay, here you can tools options, and this is the touring. uh, in between the feature, what time will be there, how much time for wait, camera tilt, camera range. All these are very nice controls which you can customize as per your need. You can apply, and thereafter you can start it again. So this is the way we can do some network analysis with Google Earth also. And now we can do some network analysis using the Google Maps. Here Google Map is open, and this is the search Google Maps, and here you can search Adigrath. So you can see the map of Adigrath here, and by clicking the direction button you can choose two places. Like the first place you can choose maybe Adigrath, and second place you can choose maybe Adwa, Adwa town, and it will give you time also. If you are moving, then you can reach 2 hours 10 minutes will be there from Adigrad to Adwa. And in this area, if you want something like the information of maybe gas station or something, okay, or some, so it will give you some another means service areas. So this is the way we can use the Google Maps for our network analysis. So this is all about the network analysis. There are many more things you can enhance your information knowledge about network analysis using the ArcGIS help, as well as there are some books and literatures available in the Google. So thanks for watching and thanks for listening. Thank you.